Ken coming at you from Ken.com. Life's so much simpler when you're fixing things. Special projects, 1970 Pontiac Firebird. Rodan, a true phoenix. Look at this mess, y'all. Now, let me tell you what happened. I was putting the transmission in. When I put the transmission in, I needed to connect the transmission wires. When I connected the transmission wires, this is a transmission wire here. This is the one that I was checking, this one. When I checked the transmission wires, I had to disconnect from the computer system. I disconnected twice. I disconnected this one and disconnected the other one as well. In addition to that, I did some stabbing of some of these wires, and I believe that I may have stabbed a wire and messed up something and the car won't start. I don't know. I've already checked the timing. The timing did not jump. So now I'm just going to test these wires, and I'm going to test my sensors and see what they looking like. So anyway, I want to tell you guys about that. Today is July the 1st, 2025, and I am on a mission to get this car running. Yeah, I'll take it easy.